We have a really wide range of tools here actually. We have a full shop full of refrigeration equipment. One of our first projects actually is to build a bench project. So we're given a compressor, an evaporator, all the tools we need. We each have our own toolbox. And we're basically told, here's your requirements, go out and build it.
The refrigeration systems that they're working on here in the lab, we talk about in the classroom. We do all the theory in the classroom about the basic compression cycle and how to set the valves and the superheats and stuff. And they get a hands-on, what we talk about in theory in the classroom, they actually get to come out here and prove in the lab, which works really well.
The hands-on is probably by far the best part. We go through different phases that help us to understand first the basics, and we continue to add on to our systems, our refrigeration systems, to make them more complex. It's very technical and it takes a lot of troubleshooting and practice.
Yeah, all the instructors in our program have extensive industry-related training. They've all had probably 20 years or more experience in the trade, both as apprentices and as journeyman instructors in their own field. So it's dynamic. It's always changing. It's a lifelong learning environment once you do enter this trade. So you're never bored, and you'll have a rewarding career.
When I'm looking at resumes for apprentices, that is really the first thing I look for. Do they have that pre-employment course? Or even the first year program, they have that base that you need, that you can really take somebody, and just kind of run with them and let them succeed from there. Technology changes all the time, like in any trade. What's relevant one year, a few years down the road is completely irrelevant, and something new has come in, and usually the guys coming from school, they do have the up-to-date knowledge.
If you like hands-on experience and you love learning, come do this course. You don't need any experience going in. If you do have some, I'm sure it would help, but I sold makeup before this and I'm loving it.